Hey everybody, in this video we got a 6-quart Instant Pot, and we're going to make a, I don't know, we call it like a shrimp boil or a low country boil. I'm not really following a recipe here, just kind of winging it. What we're going to do here is got some boneless, skinless chicken breast. We're going to cut into chunks. Got some hot smoked sausage. Got some carrots, some little potatoes that we're going to cut in half. A big bag of frozen shrimp, and some frozen corn on the cob right here, and some chicken broth that we're going to use for our liquid. And we got some Old Bay seasoning that we're going to season it all with here. So what I'm going to do is I'll go ahead and I'll cut all the chicken up. I'm going to season with Old Bay, and I'm going to mix a bunch of Old Bay into 2 cups of the chicken broth, and then we'll combine it all into the Instant Pot, and go ahead and we'll cook it, put it on some rice, and it should be good. So stand by here, and we'll go ahead and chop everything up. All right, and as usual here, I get way too much where it's not all going to fit in one batch here, so I'm going to just save some, I guess, to cook tomorrow. So we got about half our ingredients, chicken, sausage, potatoes, carrots in the pot. And I've got some Old Bay seasoning here mixed in with my 2 cups of chicken broth. So now I'm just going to add, I guess we'll just put in 3 ears of corn, and I'll save the other 3 for another batch. And then we need some frozen shrimp in there. Half the bag. Alright. Alright, and then the last thing to do here is just pour our chicken broth with our Old Bay just over everything here. And put the lid on. And make sure we seal it. And we're going to actually go ahead and just set it for high pressure. And we don't want it to keep warm. And we're actually going to have to cook this for actually 10 minutes here. Alright, so it's going to cook for 10 minutes. It'll take a minute to heat up, and then it'll cook for 10 minutes. And I'm going to try to do a quick release on this as long as it doesn't make a mess. Sometimes when you have sausage and these things, a messy thing comes out the top. So we'll find out together how that goes. And I'm going to also cook some rice here in my rice cooker to use as a bed to put this on. And we'll check back in with it here when it's done cooking. Alright, our 10-minute cook time is up here. So now we'll see how we can do a quick release, because it doesn't really need any more time to cook here. But I've done the sausage before, and the quick release made a big mess. So that's what's happened. I'm just going to wait for the natural release here. So we'll see what happens. So far, so good. It looks like just steam. All right, that little click means that the tab is dropped in, and the quick release, it took about 3 minutes. So when that click is actually done, so get the lid off here and see what we got. All right, see that here? The shrimp looks like it's about perfect. Go ahead and serve some on some rice here. Alright, there's what our finished product looks like. Chicken, sausage, potatoes, carrots, corn, rice. It smells really good. I bet it tastes really good too. So anyway, that's pretty much all there is to it. I guess just do about half the ingredients that I started with in a 6-quart Instant Pot. 10 minutes cook time, about all you need. And I guess I don't have anything else on this. If you have any questions or comments, I tend to answer every comment on my channel, and I only ask if you're going to be mean, just try to at least be funny. And don't forget to like and subscribe, because why not? And until next time, we'll talk to everybody later.